you know what the #1 traffic source was, is, and will remain to be? It is Google traffic, of course, also known as search traffic. And if you've got a product or a video to promote or a page to drive traffic to, I'm going to show you how to get to the first page of Google for hard keywords without knowing SEO and siphon millions of visitors for absolutely no cost whatsoever. And when I say visitors, I'm talking about buyer traffic, traffic that searches for your very solution on both Google and YouTube. And yes, this also works for harder keywords. What's the point of wasting energy on super low traffic keywords that anyone can rank for? And yes, even if you don't know anything about SEO, this will work for you. Why? Because I don't know anything about SEO, and I'm still ranking like crazy and outranking the results of every single rankings tool out there. If you're skeptical, I don't blame you. I bet you are. And take a look at what we and our students have been able to achieve without any SEO knowledge, patience, or work. This is just the tip of the iceberg. 3 things to keep in mind for what I'm about to share. First, as ridiculous as it may sound, it doesn't require more than 5 minutes of work. Second, it's not risky, shady, or unreliable. In fact, you can activate it and let it run forever. And third, you absolutely don't need to have any SEO knowledge whatsoever with this. But if you do, our system will give you an unfair advantage. In the next 2 minutes, I'm going to show you how 3 guys went from not knowing anything about SEO to getting ranked on top of Google like it's nobody's business. At first, the only thing they knew about SEO is that if you rank high on Google and YouTube, you will get millions of visitors for free. That's it. Now, visitors that actually search for your product or niche and they crave your solution. That's the kind of visitors we're talking about here. So they started buying courses, learning methods, buying software, trying loopholes. None of these things worked, and they spent hundreds of hours just testing and learning. But then they learned that there is something that works really well for SEO. And it's something that's been working for years upon years. And that's old school, high quality, manual backlink building. In fact, it works so well that if you do it right, do it consistently, and keep a continuous flow of new high quality backlinks to your site, you practically guarantee high rankings fast and for many, many months. But here's the problem. It's hard, and it's slow, and it's boring. It's time consuming, or it gets extremely expensive if you hire a bunch of people to do it for you. I mean, you can imagine yourself sitting there posting content online and building thousands of backlinks manually, buying proxies to mask your IP, creating backlink strategies, and solving CAPTCHAs all along the line. The horror of that is unbelievable. Introducing Crisp Links, that builds thousands of high-quality backlinks as if a human does it for you. It's fast and it's done on autopilot and ranks for harder keywords by giving Google exactly what they want, feeding them with everything they love, and in exchange, you get rankings. Now, you don't need to purchase any proxies or CAPTCHA selling services because we have it built in, getting you more traffic and helping you rank for harder keywords which actually get searches. So you get all the benefits such as long-term traffic, high rankings on Google and YouTube, plus fast and free buyer traffic, but without the work, without the time, and without the money spent. Because if you think you need these rankings, imagine what a local business would spend to promote their business. And we did the work for you and for your clients. All you need to do right now is enjoy the mammoth amounts of free traffic that rankings will get you. And in the last year, we've been testing it hard with users and, of course, our own businesses. And we've ranked practically anything we wanted. Just imagine yourself being in front of your customers, millions of them every day, and your offers, landing pages, blogs, or whatever it is that you want to promote, just ranking there for a long time. Imagine the influx of visitors you'll get, the instant sales and leads. It's crazy. And it can happen for you. It's not just reserved for the gurus. Most people today focus on loopholes and the newest abracadabra methods. This is your chance to cash in on something real and automated. Honestly, this is all ready for you, but you'll be the judge once you get in. Now, here's the deal. I don't want you to go through the learning curve that we went through. I don't want you to struggle, suffer, or fail. I want to hand everything you need for fast money on a silver platter to you. Now, if you're skeptical regarding your investment with us, you should know that you're covered by our 100% money-back guarantee, which basically means you can try it completely risk-free. Now imagine that in 30 days, you are already out of your job, working from home, and growing your business every day while having full control over your income with SEO without even knowing SEO. Now that feels good, doesn't it? Scroll down, click the big button that you'll see inside.
What's up YouTube? I am Sandeep and you are watching Tuval. Today I brought something special for you. The new traffic method that will guide you to get a more traffic and sales into your website. The name of the product is the CrispLink. This product provides you the free traffic that converts into sale straight from Bing and Google. So let's see what are the features that this product provides. Ranks any website, blog post, video or any local business. Builds unlimited high quality backlinks from high DA websites to your website. Builds your website authority in the eyes of Google, makes Google love your website. Works on number one ranking factor, that is backlinks. Embedded links for your website into other high DA website and drive 100% for organic traffic to your website or offers. Works perfectly with high competition keywords like best video editing software. Gets your unlimited free precious organic traffic from Google, YouTube, Bing and also from social media platforms like the famous Facebook and YouTube. This increases your website DA, improves Alexa rank by 594%. Works even if you have never tried SEO in your life with no experience needed. With this, SEO made effortless. Now let's see what experts are saying about CrispLinks. Here you can see some blog posts written by the expert commenting on the CrispLink. Let's read their messages. Wow, CrispLinks has made getting free traffic from Google so simple. You already know that the traffic is lifeline of every online business using this amazing software. My website traffic has increased by 694% in just 3 months. The interesting thing is all the traffic laser targeted buyer organic traffic. This truly drives my recommendations. As a pro internet marketer, I can assure you that CrispLink software will definitely save you hundreds of dollars from paid ads, expensive SEO agencies, and time-consuming and boring email outreach. You can earn handsome money by selling the SEO services and charging clients on a monthly basis. Big thumbs up to the team. Hands on heart, this is one of the coolest software I have ever seen. I just hated SEO as it is really tiresome and boring. But after using this amazing software, my website traffic has literally blown up by 13% in just 2 months. It gets around 65,357 organic visitors every day. Go ahead and give it a try. I promise you won't be disappointed. This product actually provides a secret that how non-SEO guys like me rank for hard keywords on page 1 of both Google and YouTube in minutes and stay there for years. I can keep talking all the day, but you know that word speaks louder than me. Real results by real people, not partners. See the live proof below how our customers are dominating Google page, ranking 1 even for high competition keywords. You can see this product or this website rank in the position 2. The another keyword, the plumber stick part SC, they are ranking on the position 3. You can also see that the analytics are shown that the traffic had increased significantly by using this software. However, the HRFs also proven that the Alexa rating has increased by 33% than 21% by using the backlinks and crisp links. Some of the users have commented us that thank you Chrislinks, I works. I just uploaded a blog post a few hours ago and it got ranked for this multiply highly competitive keywords, the SEO tips. Google page 1 rank 1 within a few hours and I did not realize until check it right now. Very exciting moment. SEO really made simple. Guys, you can also make this type of results with you. The CrispLink is all-in-one software that gets you tons of free targeted organic traffic by letting you build unlimited backlinks from thousands of referring domains. Ranks any type of content. CrispLinks lets you build unlimited number of backlinks which are number 1 ranking factor among other factors, and thus it ranks your website easily on all the search engines. Unlimited high quality backlinks. The software plugin automatically builds thousands of high quality backlinks and your post will automatically rank in the top of the search results. Sell SEO services. You can also sell SEO services even if you don't have any prior experience. You can also sell on Fiverr, Freelancer, or you can also build your own SEO agency and get higher recurring payments by the clients. Free lesser targeted organic traffic. Traffic is essential for the success of every online business. Because of that, traffic is expensive. With CrispLinks, you have unlimited free lesser targeted traffic and you no longer have to pay for the paid traffics. No more email outreach. Sending emails to thousands of bloggers from a link in return in the most frustrating. You have hardly get 2 or 3 backlinks per 1000 emails. CrispLinks give you access to thousands of backlinks without email outreach. SEO made effortless. SEO generally requires a lot of time and effort, but with CrispLinks, you will be able to rank your post within few hours and build your authority on the internet. Before going forward, make sure to hit the like button and hit the subscribe to get the recent updates of my videos that came weekly. With this, let's get started. Making big money online goes hand in hand with mastering the traffic equation. In layman's term, traffic is the lifeblood of every online business. No traffic equals no leads. No leads equals no sales. No sales equals no commission and profits. So this is true. No traffic ultimately gives no commission and profits. That's the harsh reality. No one matters how engaging your content is, how great your product is, or how beautiful of a website you have built. If you have failed to generate targeted web traffic that converts you a sunk, maybe you have heard this all about before, and maybe you have already tried many methods of getting web traffic and failed. There is no magic button for getting web traffic, but our new software, that is the Crisp Link, is probably the closest thing you will find. If you are ready to solve your traffic problems and say goodbye to the constant struggle of getting web traffic, keeping reading every word on this page. The traffic potential in SEO is beyond any traffic source out there. Here is why. Just imagine millions of people going to YouTube and Google every single day searching for your solution. From the product manufacturers to the business to the marketers to consumers. Everyone is searching for the information that is your solution and stuff to buy on Google and in YouTube. You can be there right in front of their eyes. According to the report by the Forbes, SEO industry is worth about $80 billion. The opportunity is insanely huge for immediate action takers. Imagine the moment when you hit on the page rank 1 of Google and get an influx of the traffic. Just imagine yourself being in front of your customer, millions of them every day, and your offers, landing pages, blogs, or whatever it is that you want to promote just ranking there for a long time. Imagine engaging the same massive audiences on a level never before possible, stopping people in front of your offers and coupons and getting them to click on that offer. Yes, I want to increase my website traffic. Here is why many bloggers feel quiet blogging because of SEO. Yes, this is true. You start blogging with lots of excitement, and definitely you may inspired by so many gurus who show their income reports publicly. You start posting content every day for a couple of months, but you aren't getting results even after following your guru's every advice. The guru says you SEO takes lots of time, effort, money and patience, but that's almost everything you don't want to give. They show only one end and hide the complete picture. They hide the secrets which only a few people know, so that they can continue to dominate in the field of web. If you want to rank, simply give search engines what they love. And you know that G loves quality, or the Google loves the quality backlinks. You will say that the content is king and backlinks are useless. But there is half true. Yes, good content has become important now, but backlinks are becoming even more important. You will not rank even if you wrote 4,000 words best content without backlinks. Backlinks are becoming more important in 2020s. You want to rank high fast for a long time. Backlinks from high quality websites are what Google loves, and that's the only thing you should focus upon. It's important to has increased much higher in 2020. It is considered as a money contemporary, and that's why many websites out there sell a do follow link to their site. You need to build thousands of high quality backlinks. Literally, you need to go and send thousands of emails to the bloggers begging for a link, or spend a lot of time and money so other people can do it for you. Either way, it's expensive and time consuming as hell, and you will burn out before you will see any rankings. And that's why most bloggers and marketers, even if they are making good money, will give up, because boring manual labor or paying through the noise to high expensive SEO agencies isn't going to give you the satisfaction, time and freedom that you desire as online entrepreneur. The painful reality is getting organic traffic is like being a kid trying to play with a toy that's locked inside a glass cabinet. You can see it, but you just can't touch it. What if you could unleash the power of SEO to get all the traffic you will ever need at just a push or a button? Imagine the moment you hit on rank 1 on Google and unlimited laser targeted buyer customers without paying for the ads and agencies. Imagine the moment you force the Google to send traffic to your website. Finally, getting this done in just minutes for ongoing profitable traffic campaigns you can run to any site, offer any niche. So finally, introducing the Crisp Links, the world's first and only traffic and SEO automation software that brings the tons of laser targeted, most precious paid traffic, organic traffic to your website or funnel to boost your traffic, leads, sales and profits. A brand new traffic solution that lets you build thousands of backlinks from 100% free traffic in just few clicks. It comes jam-packed with these amazing benefits. Rank any website, blog post, video or any local business. Build unlimited high quality backlinks from high DA websites to your website. Build your website authority in the eyes of Google. Makes Google love your website. Embedded backlinks of your website into 1000 or 100% free organic traffic to your website or offers. Works perfectly with high competition keyword like best video editing softwares. Gets your unlimited free precious organic traffic from Google, YouTube, Bing and also from the social media platforms like Facebook and YouTube. Increase your website DA, improves Alexa rank by 594%. With this SEO bet effortless. Now last, the pricing. So for this product you need to pay. You can pay also like a monthly basis, that $26.96 per month. With this promo you will get unlimited organic traffic, get on top of the Google search results, opportunity to capture 6 lakh daily new unique visitors, unlimited number of backlinks, 5,000 plus referring domains, sell it as SEO service on freelancing sites, win Google Maps, rank your listing on the top, dominate YouTube, ranks every video to get unlimited free visitors, catch up unlimited leads. Plus 5 bonuses, link building secrets, free ads, credit worth $600 to $800, risk-free guarantee, free trial included. The next plan is the one-time price. the $96. With this plan, you will get unlimited organic traffic, get on the top of the Google search results, opportunity to capture 6 lakh daily unique visitors, unlimited number of backlinks, 5,000 plus referring domains, sell it on the SEO service on freelancing sites, win Google Maps, rank your listing on the top, dominate YouTube, rank every video to get unlimited traffic, capture unlimited leads, plus 5 bonuses. Link building secrets, free ad credits worth of $600 to $800, risk-free guarantee, one-time fee only. So the Crisp link is exactly what you need right now. This will build you thousands of high-quality backlinks on complete autopilot and boost your ranking on Google. Make more money than ever you have made from your website from ads, affiliate marketing, leads, sale courses and e-commerce. Start your own SEO agency to earn maximum profits. You would have realized that the importance of being able to earn income from home, and Crisp links will help you to achieve exactly that. Crisp link is the exact product that you need right now. What makes Crisp link so much powerful than anything else? The software is so effective because it forces Google to send traffic to your website by ranking your content on the top of the search results, which is the largest traffic source in the entire world. For better understanding, let's check out some facts here. 67k searches are performed on Google every second. Nearly 80% of the users ignore paid ads in search results. When it comes to Google searches per year, it's certain that the number of surpass that 2 trillion mark. 39% of all the global e-commerce traffic comes from the search. Nearly 80% users ignore the paid ads in the search results. Organic SEO is about 5.66 times better than the paid search ads. The first position on the Google's desktop search results has 34.36 click-through rate, or the CTR. As to how many people use search engines on monthly basis, the answer is over 1 billion. 93% of all the online experiences begin with a simple search engine. Using the power of search engines and automation to generate the traffic has never been easier. What's even better, agency writes, every online entrepreneur needs traffic to survive, and most of them are struggling to get it. It's no wonder most marketers are readily paying thousands of dollars for SEO just to see the trickle of traffic. These millions of entrepreneurs and small businesses owners are ready and happy to pay you to help them with their traffic problems. You need to just have to give few times of your time, and in return you will get nice such paychecks for the steady influx of the index and traffic you will create for your clients. There are different size small businesses with different size marketing budgets. You can charge up to $100 to $10,000 per client, and they will be happy to pay you because they are already planning to spend their money on SEO. Sell traffic services online. There is always an exceptional demand for SEO traffic on sites like Fiverr, Upwork or Freelancer. These freelancers make from $36 to $197 per hour generating traffic and creating social media content. With the availability to create an unlimited amount of viral traffic for any site or offer, you can sell this traffic, sir, to the clients online for a lot less than they would spend for PPC or other paid advertising options. Your clients will pay you happily considering the results you are generating for them using CrispLinks. Again, CrispLinks does most of the work for you, so you actually deliver results in just minutes of your time and create multiple income streams and recurring paychecks. Give prospects and clients the one-time thing they need: traffic. Charge any amount you want and keep 100% of profits. Grab our agency license and you can potentially create a full-time income in less than few hours each month. "60 days fail-proof money-back guarantee." If CrispLinks does not help you get more backlinks and with your ranking, simply email out to us and take your money back, no question asked. So this is the quality that I was so excited with the product, that the 60 days money back guarantee. This product provide you a money back guarantee with no question asked in return. We want to make sure that the CrispLinks is going to be the super profitable investment for you, or else we won't take your money. You are getting full 60 days to test drive CrispLinks, and if you are not overwhelmed with the results after using this product, we will give you immediate refund. Yes, even if you have asked for a 60th day. We are about to overwhelm you with the results of being just happy will not satisfy us either. If anyhow you feel the CrispLinks is not worth hundreds of dollars to you, or it was 4 out of 5 stars instead 6 out of 5 stars, then you would have 60 days to drop us an email to get immediate refund. Our sole aim is to help you succeed in earning the lots of money online in this competitive world. Now go ahead and clicking the button below in the description and start getting profit from your free organic traffic. So finally, I would suggest you to get in the description and check the link in the description to get the product, the CrispLinks, that will help you to get a free organic traffic source that will pay you up to $1,000 a day that you have ever imagined in your life. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the upcoming videos. Hit the like to the video and turn on the notification bell. Thank you.